Hey everyone! Google has just launched a brand new AI tool, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And trust me, this isn't just another image generator, it's a complete creative powerhouse. So, what exactly is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image? It's an advanced AI model that can create images from text, edit your photos, and even blend multiple pictures into a single scene. The best part? It does all this super fast and intelligently. Here are the highlights you'll love. First, it keeps character consistency. Your subject will look the same across multiple edits. Second, you can edit with simple natural language prompts. Just say, blur the background, or remove this object, and it's done. Third, you can merge 2 or 3 images together to create brand new mashups. And most importantly, it uses real-world knowledge to understand context and make smarter edits. Now the big question, how can you try it? It's available right now in the Gemini app, Google AI Studio, and Vertex AI. And the cost? Super affordable. Generating one image is around 4 cents only. Think about it. Whether you're a designer, a marketer, or a YouTuber, you don't need complicated editing tools anymore. Just type a prompt, and Gemini 2.5 Flash Image delivers stunning visuals in seconds. Oh, and here's something important. Every AI-generated image comes with an invisible watermark, so people know it was made with AI. That means more transparency and more trust while still keeping all the creativity. So friends, if you want to take your creativity to the next level, go try Gemini 2.5 Flash Image today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI tools. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative, stay inspired.